Yo, Dad and Jay, Nicky Chromas. I'm want every girl for your Chrome Whine. Now laugh for the city girl, I'm gonna say, come here, Nicky.
Nicky Chromas have a new dance. Every girl in the world are endorse it. Oh, Chang said that one here bad like yeah. He'll say him love seats so nobody can cross it. Come here, Nicky.
Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Our location for this week is New Kingston. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. 5 years on Bachelor Chef Cookout is still going strong. We have highlights from the last staging held at the Police Officers Club in Kingston.
I get all kinds of excited when I hear about food, so with a name like Bachelor Chef Cookout, I had to be at the Police Officers Club today. Okay, so I have a corn dog here, fish, chicken, and a salad. And how is it? It's great. I love the fish. It's wonderful. You have the same opinion? Food is love. I absolutely love the food. The salad, the chicken, and I think this is roti, but the salad is great. What was the inspiration behind Bachelor Chef Cookout? Take us back to the very first one.
The first one was in my backyard, right? And I have a vlog on YouTube that a lot of people don't know about called Bachelor Chef. I'm the Bachelor Chef. The concept is a laid-back cooking show, and I just wanted a reason to promote the name. There's no limits to food generally. No matter what type of food you do, food is love. So there's no limits. I'm not trying to appeal to any particular person. I'm appealing to people because it's food. Everybody can relate to food. You know, even if you're not a foodie, you still have a memory with food. You know what your mom used to cook at Sunday dinner. There's still a memory lane where it relates to food. So I think that's a blessing with my talent that I can be very relatable to food.
Now, unfortunately, our guys can't be here today, so give them a taste of the menu. What is it? What's on it?
Well, no, because them should have there, isn't it? But no, we have a lot of things. We have pan chicken, we have honey glazed pan chicken, we have Boston style jerk pork, we have fish taco, pork tacos, chicken tacos. We have the Copperwood smoker there that's doing all of the nice smoked meats. We have the Nescafe station, big up Nestle. We even have a LED photo booth. You guys should check it out by Photo Factory Jamaica. We have corn soup, we have fritters, we have a wide assortment of wings, we have a whole pasta station with 4 different types of pasta, and the list goes on and on and on. But look out for you guys to be here again next March. You don't know, every first Sunday in March and first Sunday in November you can look out for Bachelor Chef Cookout.
Okay. No, I don't know about you guys, but that's motivation enough for me to be here in March next year. An empty plate is always a good sign that the food is good, am I right?
Yes, it's great, it's great. I had the vodka-infused pasta with the jerk pork and the seasoned potatoes, which are great as well.
How is this year different from the other Bachelor Chef Cookouts that you guys have hosted?
Well, each time we do a different theme. This time we're actually doing, a street theme. So we're looking at street foods. You come, you see, it's like you're driving through Jamaica or to any other Caribbean country and you're getting something that you'd normally get on the street. Like a nice street food, authentic.
And what's the turnout been like this year, even though, the weather has been threatening the event all evening?
Well, earlier this year we kept it on the beach. The weather kind of threatened that same one, but we still got the turnout, so we're expecting the same thing. Rain came, gone. We're expecting more people to come through.
When can we expect the next Bachelor Chef Cookout?
First Sunday in March.
going good, you know. The rain is kind of damped to begin with, but thus far, it's been great. The food has been great. Lines are a little long, but I guess everybody wants something to eat.
All right, so we know the rain stepped in and shaked things up a bit, but how are you enjoying the event?
I really love the event. The food is bomb. Like, the food is like super good. I can't get enough of the event. The rain, I was a little bit worried about the rain, but thank God it stopped. So I'm about to fill my belly right now.
Now, after all that food, let's educate you about some road safety tips for our motorcycle riders, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
Here are some road safety tips for motorcycle riders. To avoid an accident, start with the right gear, properly secured helmet, tight-fitting gloves, jacket, and closed footwear. Check that your tires are not weary and that they are properly inflated. Turn on your headlight at all times and maintain the right posture for better visibility on the road. Concentrate when you ride. Focus on the road. Take good control of your bike. Riding under the influence of alcohol and narcotics greatly increases your chances of getting into an accident. Do not speed. Ride carefully. Do not change lanes unexpectedly. Signal other road users before changing course. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the video premiere of the week and our Talent on the Ride segment. We'll be right back.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocherias. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Yes, the sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. Me friend them pan